Can you solve these tricky riddles? Kids can make it but never hold it or see it. What is it? Answer is noise. Kids can make noise by talking, singing, or making various sounds, but they cannot hold or see noise itself. I'm tropical and orange, my name starts with P, and inside me, you'll find seeds. What am I? Answer is papaya. Papayas are tropical fruits that are orange on the inside and contain seeds in their central cavity. I can be written, I can be spoken, I can be exposed, I can be broken. What am I? Answer is news. News can be written in newspapers or online articles, spoken on the radio or television, exposed through various media channels, and can also be broken in the sense of being reported, analyzed or discussed. I have many teeth but I cannot bite. I'm often used early but rarely at night. What am I? Answer is comb. A comb has many teeth, but it cannot bite. People often use combs early in the day to style their hair but rarely use them at night. I don't have eyes, ears, nose and tongue but I can see, smell, hear and taste everything. What am I? Answer is brain. The brain can process and interpret sensory information, allowing us to see, smell, hear, and taste, but it doesn't have its own eyes, ears, nose or tongue. I'm man's loyal friend, with a wag and a bark. What am I? Answer is dog. Dogs are known for their loyalty to humans and often express it through wagging their tails and barking. What English word has 3 consecutive double letters? Answer is bookkeeper. In bookkeeper, there are 3 consecutive pairs of double letters, double O, double K and double E. What is as big as an elephant, but weighs nothing at all? Answer is the shadow of an elephant. Shadows have size and shape, but they don't have any physical weight because they are merely the absence of light in a particular area. My head is red but turns black when you scratch it. What am I? Answer is a matchstick. A matchstick has a red head, which is the part you strike to create a flame, and when you scratch it against a rough surface, the head turns black due to the friction and ignition. I brighten your room when switched on, but I'm not the sun. What am I? Answer is a light bulb. When you switch on a light bulb, it emits light which brightens the room. However, the light bulb is not the same as the natural light provided by the sun. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.